Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So definitely a very slow couple days on both the euro and the pound. I mean, this is Monday's price action, very slow, and today's price action was even slower. Today is a few days before the CPI inflation data that we got for the U.S. coming out, so maybe the market's waiting for that. The last structure level for me is still right here. As long as price does not break this structure level, I'm definitely still only looking for shorts. I still think there's a good chance it will take out this low, which is a low on the 4-hour daily time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'm definitely still looking for short entries. Hopefully we'll get a more active market tomorrow. So we do have a few things to keep an eye out on the news calendar. We got the Aussie meeting minutes news. And then we also have the official bank rate news for the Kiwi, which is they are planning on lowering 50 basis points, so that should definitely do something to the Kiwi pairs this evening. And tomorrow we got meeting minutes for the US. So hopefully tomorrow some of that news will keep things going a little bit because the market has been a little slow as far as the dollar is concerned. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.